Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the problem 9 over 4 to the power of 9 over 4. So to solve this, I'm going to first rewrite this as 3 squared over 2 squared to the power of 9 over 4. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m over b to the power of m, this is equal to a over b to the power of m. So 3 squared over 2 squared is going to equal 3 over 2 squared, and I still have this to the power of 9 over 4. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So it's going to equal 3 over 2 to the power of 2 times 9 over 4, which is equal to 3 over 2 to the power of 18 over 4, which is equal to 9 over 2. So I have 3 over 2 to the power of 9 over 2. Now 9 over 2 is the same thing as 4 plus 5 over 2. And this is equal to 4 over 2 plus 5 over 2. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So this is going to equal 3 over 2 to the power of 4 over 2 times 3 over 2 to the power of 5 over 2. Now 4 over 2 is equal to 2, so I get 3 over 2 to the power of 2 times 3 over 2 to the power of 5 over 2. And 3 over 2 squared is equal to 9 over 4, so I get 9 over 4 times 3 over 2 to the power of 5 over 2, which is the same thing as the square root of 3 over 2 to the power of 5. And now this is equal to 9 over 4 times the square root of 3 to the power of 5 over the square root of 2 to the power of 5. Now the square root of 3 to the power of 5 is equal to 9 root 3. And you can get this by simply multiplying the square root of 3 5 times. Now, and the square root of 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 4 root 2. So I have 9 over 4 times 9 root 3 over 4 root 2, which is equal to 81 root 3 over 16 root 2. And we don't want any radicals in our denominator, so I'm going to multiply this by the square root of 2 over the square root of 2. So I get 81 root 6 over 16 times 2, which is 32. So this is my answer. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation x is equal to x over 3. So to solve this, I'm going to first start by multiplying both sides by 3. So I get 3x is equal to x, and from here, what most people would do is divide both sides by x. But if you do this, you get 3 equals 1, which is an incorrect statement. So instead, what you should do is subtract x on both sides. So you get 3x minus x, which is 2x, is equal to 0, meaning x is equal to 0 divided by 2, which is 0. Now, another way to solve this is x equals x over 3. I'm going to subtract x over 3 on both sides. So now I get x minus x over 3 is equal to 0. And now I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. So 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times x over 3 is just x. So I get 3x minus x is equal to 0, meaning 2x is equal to 0, and x is equal to 0.